Students, light and darkness followed each other in quick succession. The dome-shaped settlements on the moon, who resembled the igloos of the Eskimos, were now visible. Here, resembled means appeared. Dome-shaped settlements were there on the moon. After some time, Salish shuttle made a slow, measured and safe landing on the moon. Means Salish shuttle landed on the moon. The door of the shuttle was opened and the children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. Here, escorted means conducted to some place or guided. Here, who was the first person to land on the moon? Neil Armstrong. The receptionist at the entrance to the base gave some instructions at the very outside, because gravitational force of the moon and earth is different. So, the receptionist gave some instructions. Let us see what are the instructions given. I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base. To make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable, I would like you to take certain precautions. Here precautions means the steps taken in advance to prevent something dangerous or unpleasant. Listen carefully to my instructions and please follow them during your stay. You know that the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 of the earth. That means in the human settlements on the moon, a gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth has been artificially maintained in dome-shaped settlements. But outside those settlements, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. You will have to be extremely careful when you roam around there. The second point to remember is related to shopping on the moon. You almost be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Please buy the articles only from the shops which are inside the dome-shaped settlements. There you will be assured of genuine articles. Do not buy anything from the unauthorized shops outside the settlement. I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. We have to consider two or three things. First, what? Gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 of the Earth's. If here one thing weighs, a particular commodity weighs 36 kg, on the moon it will be only 6 kg. And second thing is, they are informed to purchase anything in the gravitational force of the moon were artificially maintained, not to buy anything from outside.